Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, Come back to another coding every day until get a job. This is day 56, and um, I kind of want to start with refreshing my knowledge regarding Git because um, I oh, for some reason I forgot that branching exists, and that's like what would help in order for this project to work. I have been just committing it on a single line in like the main. And so I think I really want to relearn like how to do branching, like because I definitely need to, yeah, make sure that I use branches because I forgot like, oh shit, I changed something, but then I haven't committed the update. But then like, yeah, it's just a lot of the mess. So I kind of want to start with um, relearning about Git branch, and after that uh, I want to change the code a little bit, especially regarding the logic of like sponsored or featured listing. Even though of course, it's not guaranteed that someone would want to sponsor this project, but yeah, even if it did that, there's some things that I want to change. So today, the sorry, yeah, basically what I want to do today is featured, let's say, yeah, just like making sure the cards in the featured listing is better. But before that, I want to start with Git.
Now, open source typically involves other people, but it doesn't have to. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to assume that you are the sole developer of software, but that there
Yes,
may
I
be other
am.
consumers of your software. Because
I
Git is
hope
more or less the
Mr.
same
Engineer
thing
Man
as
doesn't copyright my video. I'm just watching and taking notes.
2021, everybody that consumes your software is going to expect it to be as a Git repo. And you know this if you've ever searched for a piece of software and you've came across something on like SourceForge. People that are
Yeah,
using Git right now who are roughly my age or older knows that SourceForge used to be the place where you would put all of your software for publishing. Another reason to publish open source with Git is so you can make use of tags. Now, tags is a thing where you create a new tag, and that tag points to a specific point in Git history.
I don't think
Now,
I
I'm sure it
do.
sounds
I
like
need it
Git
then.
manager has all the management of tags, allowing people to download software at a particular point in time via the tag is a feature of something like GitHub. So
I
now
haven't
Git
really pushed the
manager
code on GitHub because at one ti- at one time I'm kind of shy and afraid because if I put it on GitHub, people would see the code and like it's gonna be terrible. So I'm kind of haven't pushed it on GitHub yet. Everything is still locally because I don't know. I'm just not confident enough to share it out there, and I kind of want to deploy this, and I don't know, like yeah, make
specific tag, and
a
allow
little bit
people
of
to
side
download
hustle.
software
So
at a
I don't
particular
think I
version
should
of
expose it
Git.
because I know there will be a lot of security error, and so I think I kind of want to just learn along the way, and yeah, back to Git,
And this is
I
something that a
guess.
solo developer of an open source project would do, even if you have nobody on board with you. The next thing you can make use of for a solo developer and also a team developer is branch experimentation. And this is the ability to work on your project in some way and then later decide, I don't like what I did, and then just discard that work. So working on the same repo from the previous video, I have, remember, my hello.txt and my readme here. I also only have one branch, and that's just the master branch. So imagine I wanted to do some work, but I wasn't really sure if it was something I wanted to keep. Maybe I'm just experimenting with new features. So I want to make a new file called hello2.txt, but
I wanna check something. Oops. If I can see this, okay, nothing to commit. Okay, okay, cool. Okay,
I
nice.
don't want it to pollute the master branch. Instead, what I can do is create a new branch, and I can create a new branch and access that branch with one command: git checkout -b, and then you specify the branch name. So I'll call it like experimentation
This is what I should have been doing every time. And then like after that, merge it. If everything goes well, merge it to Romania. I'm gonna start doing this from now on. Yes, because it created exact copy, right? Yes. I think I've written it down here. I just forgot about it for some reason. Yeah, it's just like this creating new branch. And like I don't know why I don't know. I just forgot about branching for some reason. Yeah, this is super helpful.
The next big solo development thing for Git is centralizing your repositories. And this is where we're going to end up having a little overlap between solo and team development, but that's okay. For the purpose of these next points, we're going to assume that this is not open source software. This is closed source software that you're maybe making as a private project, but you need it in several places. A centralized repository really helps with this because it creates a copy of your project that exists somewhere else. This is kind of an implied backup, even though you didn't really intend it to be one. A common pattern that exists for web developers specifically, or anybody that has to deploy their software to a remote machine, is you
Mhm.
have a development
GitHub, right?
environment locally, you have a centralized repository, and then you have a remote server which needs to take the current copy of that repository and make it live on some site. Now, I want to make clear that when I say centralized, I'm referring to the master copy of a repository from which all work is pushed to, and then from which all work is pulled from. Having a single centralized master copy of a repository makes tons of things very easy, especially when it's accessible at one uniform URI. URI meaning github.com/realtalk/ whatever. This means to say
Understandable. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I just realized yeah, oh, okay, it's a .yaml file. That's awesome. Hello, Sai. Mm, a little bit better, but I guess it's just doing it at night again. It's probably not fun, but yeah, sorry, I couldn't do it in the morning.
easy. This means pulling code to remote servers is also very easy, and it's all happening in the same way. Next is something called deployment keys, and although this is not a specific Git feature, this is something that you need to be aware of as a solo developer. So the problem that deployment keys solves for is when you have a remote server that you need to get code to, but it's for a private project. Of course, you working on that project don't have that problem because you're authenticated with whatever server you're doing. You can freely push and pull either because of SSH keys or username and password or however you have it set up. The remote server, on the other hand, even though you own it, cannot access a repository directly. But the remote server doesn't need to make any commits. It doesn't need to get pushed, doesn't need to do any of that. All it needs to do is get clones and get pulls. So the whole point of deploy keys is to authorize an SSH key from the remote server to just make pulls on a particular repository. Now, obviously, this particular project, EMKC, is already open source and publicly available, so this is kind of pointless. But if this were a private repository, you could take your SSH public key from the remote server that needs to access it. You can insert insert that here. You can do add key.
Ah, okay.
Authorize just that server with that public key to pull this repository down to itself. This makes it so some specific user does not have to authenticate on a remote server, because that's ultimately what you'd have to do is
Okay, okay, I understand. Okay, I used to have this kind of problem when working with the Raspberry Pi
to the server. I wouldn't want to do that, of course. And last but not least is remote pre-deployment diffs.
because
We'll do a demonstration.
oh god, it's just the more you learn, right? Am I right? Like the issue before, like when I was doing the project was the Raspberry Pi was going to be like the main server, the main device that will run the Flask app, but it doesn't have, like I couldn't really log in using my GitHub account there. I think I should have been using this deployment key so that Raspberry Pi would need that without needing like manual authorization or authentication using my account. But yeah, I remember I already signed out of it, but I'm not sure if it's still there or not, or even if they still use the app or not. I don't. I oh god, the code was so shit. It's just bad.
If you're doing a ton of work on a project and you gain
Like I didn't know like using modules before, like in JavaScript. So it's just like everything is just one file, and I didn't even know promises back then. I just like chat GPT, and it's like, oh, this work is then like yeah, it's just not bad, not performant, and just terrible.
getting ready to deploy to your remote server, you may not know exactly everything that you've changed. And before I deploy new code to my server, I always check exactly what's been changed before I actually apply it to the server. So for this demonstration, I'm actually going to be using a real project that we work on. And just for the purpose of this, just assume that I'm doing the work and I'm doing the deployment.
Okay.
Right now there's a pending change that needs to be made, and ordinarily when I go to do a deployment, what I'll do is I'll do git fetch --all. This pulls down all of the branches and updates the tracking branches from my local repository. And this allows me to compare the working tree with what's about to be merged into the working tree. So after I do git fetch all, I would do git diff master origin /master. Now obviously nothing's here because there's no pending change, but what this would tell me is the difference between the current working tree and then what is about to be merged in.
Git diff. Have I read it before? I guess I've never really used a lot of the command because I don't know, or like I don't find any situation yet to use this command. But I've used like git show, git checkout, and git reset before because again I didn't. Yeah, I forgot how to do branching. That's stupid.
Now
Okay.
I'm going to actually merge in a live feature from the project that we work on, and it's just a single line change, so I'll just merge that in now. So now that I have work that's been merged into the master branch that is now ready for pre-deployment, I can do this exact same process. I'll do git fetch --all. You can see now it says something different. It's saying that develop was updated and master was updated. Now when I do git diff master origin master, you can see it has one change there. And this is telling me that when I merge master, it's going to make these changes. So rather than me trying to remember exactly what's been changed, I can just do this. I know exactly what's going to be changed, and then I can have confidence to actually apply this change and know it's not going to break anything. And of course, there's some overlap here in team development. If the person that did the work, which in this case was somebody else, this would technically be a team development thing, but this works the same for solo development as well.
Okay.
The solo development video, stay tuned for the fourth and final video.
I guess yeah. Let's read a little bit about the branching and let's just start to work on the changes. Well, by we I mean myself and ChatGPT and Claude and the other, but yes. Okay. At this stage, you'll receive a call that another issue is critical and you need a hot fix. You'll do the following: switch to your production branch, create a branch. After you test it, merge the hot branch, push to production. Switch back to your original user story and continue working. First, let's say you're working on a project and you have a couple commits already on the master. You decide that you're going to work on issue, whatever issue tracking system your company used to create a new branch and switch to it at the same time, you can write a git checkout command with a p switch. Switch to a new branch is, oh, yes, this issue. Git checkout. Okay, it's actually two command at the same time. Okay. Oh my god, this is like, I haven't even opened the git docs before. Creating a new branch pointer. Doing branch forward because you have it checked out. That is, your head is pointing to it. This branch has moved forward with your work. Now you get the call that there is an issue with the website and you need to fix it. With Git, you don't have to deploy or fix along with the ISS3 change you made. You don't have to put a lot of effort into reverting those changes before you can work on applying. Okay, wait, I forgot to turn on some music, so it wouldn't be boring for everybody's watching, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I hope this is not too loud, but okay, I hope this is not too loud. Okay, nice. Oops. Okay. You can run your tests, make sure your hotfix is what you want. And finally merge the hotfix branch back into your master branch table. You do this with git merge command. Oh, okay, so just git checkout, git merge. Okay, let's wait, yeah, let me ask ChatGPT. Oh, hi. Oh, hello. Wait, yeah. Hello, I want to learn Git for control managing a project. Currently, I am. Wait, yeah, let me lower it down a bit. It's a bit too loud for myself. Okay. This provides a creating branch for any feature and later merging it. Example. Here's the project. I don't know. Oh yeah, I remember. Like ChatGPT knows who my name is. Our name is. Okay. No. This is working on solo user rack. Even though you're solo, following structure workflow main dev. I only have main right now, right? I only have main, yeah. Create a new branch for every new feature or bug. Git checkout, feature navbar, name convention, feature name, or fix. But keep changes focused on one thing. Don't build navbar and login form together. Adding a navbar and okay. Git checkout, pdev. I'm not, yeah, it's fine. I don't need this. Let's just, okay, let's do this. To your work, blah, 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 blah. Git add, git commit. git push origin feature. Okay, git push. Okay. Merge back, git checkout dev. Merge back into dev or main. So git checkout main and git merge that. Delete feature branch, optional but clean. Oh yeah, okay, so after it's optional but clean. Okay, if you're using GitHub, to open a pull request from to dev, keep atomics, pull latest stuff, optional git tools. Okay. I hope I didn't mess it up, but let's give it a try, okay? So what I want to add is the sponsored listing. The sponsored listing currently is just wait, yeah, let me show you. Like, let's go to like if we go to, so let's just put, let's for example, if one day there will be someone that would oops, if there's someone who would sponsor this and add like a featured listing, that would be so good. Let's just say Claude decided to sponsor the video or the project and they want to be featured. So what I need to do first is that it's still compiling because Next.js is slow and I am opening too many apps at the same time. I think I can close Obsidian to save like 50 megabytes. Okay, there we go. But what I want to do is I want to go to admin and I want to change the Claude to be featured. So yeah, okay, so a few days ago we did this. We make a admin dashboard much more simpler. There's supposed to be a graph, but the data is like for 3 months, and I think I should just scale it down a bit. But yeah, we only have 5 users in the test. Okay. What we want to do was change Claude. Let's make this status to be sponsored. And if it's sponsored, then it will have, let's say, Claude AI. Okay, I want to read their description, and then it's like Claude Claude.online, manage option, confirm. Okay, that's bullshit. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. Next generation AI trained to be safe, accurate, and secure. I know. Let's just use this description. Update the resources. Resource update successfully. We can go back and let's go back here to the main page and see if it's sponsored now. Okay, so as you can see, the one is sponsored just have this badge, and it's ordered alphabetically because the route handler I said is still that. I think I want to add like a order by using the in the query tool that says that is featured will always be on top, always ascending or descending. It's either that, and yeah, and also make sure that even in the filter the featured will always be on top. So that's what I want to do today. And I guess after that, I wanna maybe make some submission in Google form if anybody want to submit a new resource. So yeah, okay, let's try to do that first right now. The first step that we do is, I think, in the API resources. I think it's this one. Let me check. DB drizzle. Search params URL 18. Yeah, to be honest, the search I didn't implement search, so let's just remove that. If subject query where, okay, why is it wrong? All resources. Oh wait, okay, there we go. Await query limit offset order by, let's descending resources that is sponsored, and then let's do that. I think let's import descending from, should fix all the error. Okay, what is this error? Oh shit, I forgot. I need to, god damn it. Okay, wait, I need to make the branch first. God damn it. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Okay, nothing changed, right? Nothing changed. Okay, cool. Let's make the git branch first. Git forgot the git branching. Come on. Fine, W3 school. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, it's sorry. It's git checkout. Sorry. It's git checkout dash b feature. How should we name it? What's a good naming convention for that? Let's ask ChatGPT again. Uh, what should we name the branch? That's the question I want to ask. Featured resource card. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so if I open this, it would be in the feature branch, right? Yeah, okay, so first what we want to do is remove the search, and then we're going to make the order by to be it's descending resources dot is sponsored, and then we need to ship. Okay, fine. Wait, yeah, let me see. see. Wait 1 second. I hope this is correct. Oh, we need to import this ending. Why this is error? Is it because I need? Okay, maybe. Okay, we can fix that later. What is this? What is this? Okay. Okay, we first need to change that. And then the resource card component. Oops. I think this is the sponsored one. Yes. Okay, card class name. We want this to be this now. We added this. Oh, okay, this is gonna be a problem. Okay, but I think we're gonna have a little bit of, yeah, different color. If the resource is sponsored, it's gonna have different color. There we go. If it's sponsored, it's gonna have the border will be 500 and border 2 shadow empty, and it's gonna be empty. If not, I think that should be it. Wait, I think I need to change the other. The badge in here. Resource is sponsored. Badge is not destructive, but just some of the typing, I guess. It's white. 4.0 flex center. Careful. Let's see if that's cool. Okay. White opacity 75, and that is it. I think we still have one more. Regarding the content, there's nothing to be changed, only that and then okay, we need to okay, this is hello, MD and Yahoo. Sorry, I was reading something. Hello, how is everyone doing? I hope I don't need to change anything else. Okay, so it's already sorted, blah blah blah. Okay, might throw an error, but let's give that a try. This has an error because A and B is just arbitrary. I think it should be any for this. Do I need to import something else? No. Okay, let's try to run the app. Let's see. Let's see if there's an error or that we were able to do that. Let's reload the page and see that the feature should be on top. If not, then there's something wrong with the API. Let's see. Is featured supposed to be on top with a different color? There we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to find a much more suitable blue color, but let's go to let's just say we go to control system and okay. Let's try to add another one to the machine learning. Yeah, let's add ChatGPT and see if it's going to be on top or not. Let's go to add new resource. Let's name it ChatGPT. GTA 6 cheat codes. Okay, never mind. Okay. Let the title is ChatGPT. Is it generative? Developed by AI and release on no, I mean like what's your official statement of what the fuck ChatGPT is? Like, you know, like, well, okay, what is it actually about? Never mind then. Okay, let's just use Wikipedia's. URL. Is there any like a better image from ChatGPT? Okay, let's just try to find a better image. Um, anything that has a large, okay. There's not much stuff that we can do yet. Article. Is there any like blogs or article from? Okay, that's not what I want. Okay. I want to. Okay, you know what? Let's just use this random image. It is machine learning. It's a tool and also an AI. Let's create resources. That's there we go. That is cool. Nice. So the featured is already working, so that's cool. So yeah, as you can see, it has a blinking, and it also has a different, and it's gonna be, it stays on top. Let's add another one just to be sure. I wanna add Google Gemini. What is it? Description. Gemini.google.com. Gemini image URL. Gemini has, I think it has a much better image, wouldn't it? Okay. There we go. Okay. I need something like that. Something that could be used as a header. Who created, let's just say Google, yeah. Meet Google, okay. With another machine learning / AI. It is another tool and AI. Let's create. I want to add one more just to see that the featured or sponsored would always stay on top. Hello, welcome. Yes, thank you. I mean, like, I would say I kind of need to make the design a little bit better. It needs more color. It's still too basic for me. I still want to keep it minimal, but I think adding a little bit more color, a little bit more like hidden details or something that could make this website a bit different than the other. See, Gemini has a nice thumbnail compared to the other. Okay, let's do another one. I think I want to add Grok. See, I want that type of description. Damn, okay. Grok. Grok.com. Do you see that? It has a link over here, like a referral link. It's insane. Okay. By XAI. Another machine learning tool and AI. I think Grok has a much better branding. I don't know why ChatGPT doesn't have, just because this one is gorgeous. Okay, wait. Copy image. Let's create resources. Oops. HTTPS. Yeah, sorry. Let's refresh, fetch the new data, and of course, it's gonna be that. I think let's do one more. Let's do DeepSeek, okay? Let's just put all the other modal here. If I go here, just go back to the main page. What I want is necessary cookies. Job description. DeepSeek. Okay. I don't know. I forgot the lab that did it. Um, Huangzhou DeepSeek Basic Technology. Hangzhou DeepSeek Artificial Basic Technology Research Co. Okay, I'm gonna do DeepSeek. I'm just gonna write it DeepSeek here because I don't know. It could cause an issue, but tool AI images. Okay. Copy image address. It's optional, but it's created, and you can see, even though it's featured, this okay. The image doesn't work. Why is that? Let's use other images, I guess. Ah, sorry, I forgot to copy the image. I guess I couldn't really copy it. Huh, odd. Okay. Huh, okay. That's odd. I couldn't do that. Okay. Let's see if that updates it. Okay, that's much better. See? Okay, cool. Let's clear everything and yeah, I think I set it up at descending. I think I'm gonna should I do most liked or most viewed? But okay. But I guess that should be all right. Like all the featured is already there. Okay, let's try to edit another one. Let's just do Harvard. Let's do the Harvard CS50. Let's just say they decided to sponsor us. And let's refresh. I think, yep, it's going to be always at the top. In computer, it's going to be at the top. So, okay, that's okay. That's actually not that bad. I guess that's cool. Really cool. Okay. Give me hope and motivation. I hope you have a great day, Arashdeep and everyone. I guess that's all we can do. I guess just like provide hope and motivation for each other, because America just attacked Iran. Okay, I'm just saying that, like, okay, this could either go very bad or I don't know, man. To be honest, I'm not sure anymore what will happen. It is a bit too depressing to talk about that, and I guess yeah, I guess I understand why not only me or like everyone just lost motivation all of a sudden, just because the condition of the world is just not okay. Okay, sorry, but yeah, I hope everyone is at least better, even though the news and it's just terrible for everyone. Not only that, the job market is hard, like actual wars might happen. So this is gonna be quite hard for us. Okay, I hope that's okay. So I think I'm just gonna do 3 maximum for the featured, because it's like the top right. It's like the one in the landing page is the featured one. Okay, so that's cool. Now what we want to do is okay, let me check one more time. Sorry if the past few days been a bit boring or silence. It's just that it's been, I don't know, it's just been a bit odd for me, I guess. Never mind. Continue. So I think that's it. So for now, let's go to these reserves of yes. Let's try to fix this type error. So after sponsored, we want most like. Okay, it says that. Base query. Okay, we need to change the query into base query. If That's actually not a bad. Okay, the base query is still angry, so what is wrong with it? somewhere else. Okay, for some reason this doesn't fix any of the errors, so I'm not sure what's wrong with it. Okay, this is... I'm gonna need to ask again. Why is the type error? Okay, I still have the type error. guess that's it for today. The filtering and the featured listing is much better now. We also created a new branch for a new feature, so gonna look a little bit nicer in the Git history, commit history. So yeah, yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow what I want to do is let's check the timeline. I think yesterday I thought I want to have like a, yeah, there we go, so we can cross this out. So yeah, basically I think what we want to do is, I don't know if the onboarding modal is that important or not, but, and I don't know if I want to add have image upload or not. When the users sign up, probably. I don't know. Do you guys want to have a profile pictures, even though the dashboard is just a dashboard with your liked thing? That's it, basically, inside the dashboard. Nothing too special, to be honest. See, that's it. Just your liked and your name. I guess if you want to have your photo here, that's cool as well. Cause I don't know. I'm not sure. How to render page in Windsurf on JSX? Like in Windsurf? Inside the IDE, do you mean? Is it the Windsurf, the IDE? Is it this Windsurf, Marco? Because I think, yeah, I think I get what you meant. Like, I think Windsurf has like a browser inside of the IDE that would help you like pick, but I've never really tried it before, to be honest, so I'm not sure. Oh, that looks pretty nice. Cool. Okay, that's it. Especially yeah. Okay, I think what you meant is that let's stop this server. You can close this. I think that's it for today. We're done. But I think I get what you meant. Like opening and rendering the JSX inside there. Because let's open Windsurf. I don't know if I think I still have it, but I don't have any account. Because from what I know, you can render or open like a browser inside of the Windsurf. Let's try to open. But I've never really tried it before, so let's check it out, I guess, together, even though I never tried it before, to be honest. I think it's this one, the preview. Okay, this is the env example. Wait, do I have anything in the env? Okay, it's still installing. Oh shit, I do have. Okay, wait, I cannot show this. Whoops. Okay, but I hope that's what you meant, Anthony. I think it's this one, right? Like preview mode. Because from what I know, yeah, I think it's this one, right? The one that opened. Oh shit, okay. I don't have any credits. I don't know if I could run it or not. Oh, it's promo. Okay. What do we just use this VE? Okay. Let's wait, let me restart it first. I haven't used Windsurf in a while because I got Cursor Pro for student and Windsurf doesn't give anything for student. So this is from another project that I did. We can see if you run. I don't think my computer could run this. Let me shut this off first because we're done with that for today. Hey, here you go. I think this is current status in progress. Oh wow. Okay. It's not loading. Do I need to create another terminal to open it? Let's try. I think this is what you meant by opening. Let's close this first. Everything is already saved. Okay. Ah, there we go. And then we can select element from here, right? Is that what you meant? I think it's hydration issue that I have. Okay, the blocks are not being rendered, but it's fine. Let's see how responsive this is. If I'm not mistaken, it's quite responsive, this website I made it. But yeah, some of the logic of the posting still not works, but yeah, that's just not good. But yeah, I think this is what you meant, right? Opening it, like you can see like, oh, select the element, and like, oh my god, this is so cool. I have never tried it before. Huh, okay, let's try. Maybe section will deactivate. Let's try to do this. Post not found. Send, okay. And then I guess from Windsurf we can like see it grabs that element and you can like talk to it. That's very cool actually. Wow. Huh, okay. Do cursor have that kind of, oh, I think that would be cool if cursor have that kind of thing. Okay. Okay, this is the issue. It's the promise thing, but yeah. That is a very, very cool feature. I think we could try to do that. Let's see if cursor have it. I think okay. Let's log send track to a browser. Maybe we use this MCP. Could be. I think if we use this MCP, it would work, right? Like, oh, you can receive the. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually interesting. Okay. To capture and analyze browser data. So like the console error, could it access the DOM element as well? Okay, let's check the docs. Give AI code editors and agents the ability to monitor and interact with your web browser for highly effective debugging and a more seamless developer experience, all in a safe and secure manner. You can enable AI code editors and agents to have access to console logs and error, network requests. Oh my god, okay. Screenshot capabilities. Selected, okay. Currently selected, okay. Only a few selected, okay. Okay, this is actually interesting.
Hey, so I built a tool that makes working with Cursor a lot better. It's called Browser Tools, and it basically gives any MCP-compatible AI editor like Cursor, Find, Continue, or Z the ability to seamlessly interface with and capture data from your web browser. So instead of having to go back and forth and constantly copying logs from your web browser to Cursor, you can just tell Cursor to analyze your logs for you, take a screenshot, and get the currently selected element. So let me show it to you in action. Here I have a Next.js application where I'm purposely throwing some console logs and errors. And I'm going to go straight into my editor here. This is Cursor, and I'm going to tell it to check my console logs and network requests. I think something is wrong.
This is awesome. Wait, this is actually cool. Okay.
Okay, so it's going to first ask if it can execute the MCP tool get console logs. I'll run that. Make sure you're in agent mode, Composer as well.
Can I not use it? Not in agent mode because
network errors. And it's even going to get the full set of network logs, and it's only going to be getting the XHR requests here, so it's not going to be overloading the context window. And just like that, it sees that we have a whole bunch of routes that are working, that it sees this health check endpoint failing, which I'm purposely having it throw like a failure or an error response. So if
okay,
I'm able to look at
this is cool. Okay, requirement Node.js. Okay, we already have Node, Google Chrome. Okay, we can use Chrome, I guess, and we can try to use seriously, no VS Code. Okay, we need to have the Chrome extension as well. Okay. Oh, we need cursor though. We don't I don't have cursor in the WSL, so maybe in the next project I want to use cursor all the way full on mode. So maybe we can try all these MCP tools and see whether they are only hype or they could actually be useful, because I don't know, because I don't really need to learn all the basic of the logging thing, even though that's okay. Never mind. We can try this later. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Hope everyone have a great day, night, afternoon, morning, and anything. I'll see you tomorrow to another Coding Every Day until I get a job. Bye.